everybody, welcome to PP Island. Whoa. Good morning, maybe somebody sleep. Alright. Everybody, PP Island is about 1 hour from the mainland. Actually, somebody is depart from Krabi. Krabi is over there. Krabi is over there. I will take the time 1 hour also from Krabi to PP Island. So right, and then everybody, this island, they got PP Island, they got two main islands. This island called Phi Phi, smaller one, Phi Phi. And then in Phi Phi Island, we got three locations. The first one, this area we call Viking Cave, the Viking Cave. So right, and then about the Viking Cave, about 30 years ago, we can take everybody, we can take tourists walk inside, walking around, to take a look around inside, to take a photo, to take a look about the ancient wall painting inside. Inside they got ancient wall painting. Now before we can get inside, and then everybody, the ancient wall painting is about 500 to 600 years ago. Some boat like from west side, they come around in South Asia around here to do business with the local people around here, and then they live in here, they live inside. When they stay inside, they draw the picture on the wall. The picture is about the ancient ships, the ancient boat. Now we cannot get inside. Now we cannot get inside. Why? Because inside right now they got a lot of the swallow birds stay inside. Swallow birds they stay inside. And then when swallow bird they have the baby, they have to make the bird nest. Swallow bird they make the nest from their saliva, And then in for Asian people like Thai people, Japanese or Chinese, we believe that the bird nest, the swallow bird nest, will got a lot of the protein and vitamin in it. So we bring it to make it like soup, like bird nest soup. So in Asian, for a kilogram, the bird nest is about $2,500 for 1 kilogram. Somebody believe that protein. So boil it like soup. If you drink the soup, drink a lot of the soup, you're good for your skin, good for your health. You'll be like younger, like 20 years ago. So that's why for Asian people, in this case we cannot get in because now a private company, a big company in Thailand, a company named Scott, they make the bird's nest. They take the bird's nest from here to do like product. Scott, if you want to try their product, you can try. They have their product in 7-Eleven. In 7-Eleven. So right, after this for Chinese version. 各位，这个岛。
Sabi niya, ano ba? Ba't mo ako binumuksan? Wow! Puri screen. Pwede bumaba. Pwede. Baba tayo. Pero wait lang, ano ba lang? May mas maganda pa palang welcome to Maya Bay dyan. Ano? 11:59 na. 12:25 yung meet up. Hải浪很大的。Taray mo dun ah. Tapos bigyan akong naano. Bigyan mo din ako. Mga emote. Model yarn. बोलना किससे बोलते हैं